all of those scenarios again. Buying a plan during registration, upgrading an existing group to a paid plan, buying more CI minutes, and buying more storage. This time we're doing it with the new design. So first off, we're going to act like we just came from the marketing site, trying to buy a plan, but we don't yet have an account. So we'll go to the sign up form, redirected from checkout, fill that in with some dummy data, and register. Select whatever role and whatever for that, and we'll continue. All right, so this is the new design. It's a lot more minimal, a lot cleaner. Still works nicely when you resize for mobile. And you can see this is now inside of a card, so it kind of expands and collapses the card as you open and close that. And we'll continue with the process of making our company, continuing to billing, United States. Payment. So this is actually an embedded Zora form. So there's so if you view this in dark mode, this will still have a white background. And until we update the actual embedded Zora form CSS, I don't know if we can actually update it for both of those. But anyway, we'll confirm purchase. I forgot to show editing. I'll do that on the next one. Then we'll continue with the rest of the checkout flow. So this is a special page just for that particular registration flow where we're checking out during the flow. So this page should actually get updated sometime soon, but it's not part of this current MR, so it still looks a mess. Looks out of place, I should say. All right, so here we are. Back to the billing page just to see, and I might have to refresh again like we did on the last one. Oh, worked. Great. So we're on the SaaS plan. All right, so for the next flow, we want to upgrade an existing free group. So we're going to start by making a new group. So new free group. And create the group. There we go, some new free group. So we'll go to the billing page for some new free group. Group ID is 322. We'll need that in a second. And we will upgrade. And here again is that new flow. Just trying to calculate how many seats I'm currently using. And we can do the mobile version and continue billing. And I'll show editing here. We'll update the number of seats in use. Continue to payment. And let's say, oh, I actually want, let's go all the way down here. Review the order, and let's say we get here. I'll show this in mobile here, so we'll open this up. I'll say, oh, actually, I want 5 seats. So you can put in 5, and you can immediately updates the cost. So really, I don't know that there's much more we need to do there. This is interesting. We're probably going to run into that problem where when we hit review order now, it's going to complain. So we're going to have to refresh the page and do this all again. I think that's to prevent too many attempts at running a credit card. I'm not sure exactly why we do it that way. So this time we'll say we want for 5. And United States. Northeast Main Street this time. Oh, nice. All right, so if I wanted to edit, I would edit now instead so that we're not running the card through. But this time I'm just going to run it through. And we will just do it for 5 seats. Redirecting, there we go. Thanks for your purchase. And pop over to billing. There. New free group is now on the premium plan. Great. So now we're going to do the usage quotas flow for CI minutes. So we're going to look usage quotas, go to pipelines, and buy additional minutes. There we go. There's our group 322, buy minutes. I'm actually just going to copy that whole thing. That might be this simpler in the next one. Continue to billing, United States. Continue to payment. And I didn't highlight this yet, but you can see before we had cards with the data, and then these headings were outside. And the edit button was kind of centered with the content of the card. So now the headings are kind of within each section, and the edit button is right up next to the heading instead. And it's always top aligned. So that's something different from this design as well. Cool. And again, we can show that in mobile and regular. And we'll confirm that purchase. And this will finish, and then this will start to redirect. And we've purchased some CI minutes. All right, next one is storage. Again, I think unless we're using storage or near our end of our storage cap, we won't actually see the button. So I'm just going to paste in that link we copied a moment ago. And we're going to change minutes to storage for our group. And we're going to go buy some storage. Show mobile, United States. Open and close this. And remember last time these headings were atrociously misaligned. Now they line up correctly. There's still a small visual glitch here, so when I open it, this will snap up at the end, and when I close it, it'll snap up before it closes. I'm not sure what that is caused by. Not really part of this issue necessarily, so we're letting it go for now. Expiration date. And we'll buy ourselves some storage. Now we're redirecting back to our usage quotas page where we have successfully bought storage. Thanks for watching.